Welcome to chapter number 3. What are the possibilities and the limits of moving floor trailers? So we have, I would say, 3 advantages of the moving floor trailers. The first of them, this is the speed. The speed of such a moving floor trailer, it's quite amazing. If you have the possibility to assist at such a discharging situation, please wait and watch. This is quite interesting. Second point is the leak tightness. We can even have ceilings, slat ceilings that resists against water. Third point, it's a real simple and robust solution that permits a high availability of your moving floor trailer. What are the disadvantages of moving floor trailers? In fact, we have limitations by the road traffic regulations. So we have to respect a certain width, a certain length, a certain height, and a certain maximal weight. Therefore, all moving floor trailers are quite light and built by aluminium slats.